Are you leaving money on the table without even knowing it? If you're keeping a significant chunk of your savings in a standard account, the answer might be yes. This is where EverBank's tiered interest rates come into play, offering a smart way to maximize the returns on your deposits. The basic idea is simple, but powerful. Your money earns different interest rates based on how much you have in the account. Think of it like a ladder, where each rung represents a higher balance tier, and the higher you climb, the better the annual percentage yield, or APY, you'll earn. Let's look at a concrete example, specifically with EverBank's Performance Money Market account, which often uses this tiered structure. The tiers are essentially balance brackets. For instance, you might see one interest rate for balances under $10,000. Then, as soon as your balance crosses that $10,000 mark, a higher APY kicks in, but only for the funds in that new, higher tier. This continues up the scale, where much larger balances, say, $50,000 or even $100,000 and up, can unlock the highest available rates. So, how does this benefit you? It's a direct incentive to save and consolidate your funds. By keeping more money in a single, high-yield account at EverBank, you are actively moving your savings into those higher tiers, which translates to more money compounding in your favor. It's an intelligent approach to savings that rewards you for your total deposit balance. This is a key differentiator from many traditional savings or money market accounts, which might offer a single, flat interest rate regardless of whether you have $1,000 or $100,000 on deposit. EverBank's tiered structure ensures that the bigger your nest egg gets, the harder your money works. It's important to remember that these are variable rates, meaning the APY can change over time based on market conditions. However, the tiered structure, the mechanism that rewards higher balances, remains a core feature of their money market and certain other products. Ultimately, understanding a tiered rate system is about recognizing that not all your money is treated equally, and that's a good thing. It's a roadmap for maximizing your earnings. The more you save, the better your rate becomes, automatically putting you in a better financial position. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.